Hey guys, this is Jake from Serenity Knives. Today I'm just going to talk a little bit about the importance of knife care and maintenance. For an example, this knife is a Miyabi Birchwood Giotto. This knife is 14 years old. I've used it throughout my professional chef career. You'll notice that all the handle's intact just by simply keeping this handle dry and waxed and not letting it go through the dishwasher. You'll be able to maintain any type of wood handle, whether it's stabilized or not. And then you'll notice the shape of the blade, just by maintaining it correctly, not cutting anything it shouldn't be cutting. It still, after 14 years, has a very good original shape, and just goes to show you that if you take care of your knives, they'll last you a good long time.